Just back from Market Village, Lotus. This is Barramundi. They call them sea bass here. The Australians I talk to call them Barramundi. It's they clean them, scale them, and gut them, leave the head and everything. They score them. I don't like that. Hear that noisy bird out there? They score them. It lets the juice out. I don't like that. But anyway, it's good fish. I really like these. They're white flaky meat. I'll cook it with just salt and butter and pepper. That's all I'll put in it. And then I'll throw. I like these Japanese pumpkins, they call them. They're squash. They taste like squash. Really good. I'll throw chunks of these in there and let it cook with the fish. And it'll be really, really good. And then I got some bok choy. These are only like 30 baht, so that's about $1.10 or something. Yeah, and this is 40 baht, $1.20 or something like that. And the Barramundi was 205. That's $6.10 baht, $6.50 or $6.30. So, and then I bought some muffins for 44 baht. That's less than a $1.30 or something, $1.30, 25. So yeah, I cook once in a while. I'm gonna get cooking. Maybe I'll get a shot of it after I'm done. My electric wok. It's goofy, but it works. Gonna be good. Well, let's try some of this here Barramundi. Cooked in butter, salt, and pepper. It's a nice white flaky fish, everything. Let's see. Oh yeah. Yeah, I get fish hungry. Coming from Alaska, I get real hungry if I don't eat fish for a week or two. And I have to. I'll eat this whole fish probably. Not as much you think. But yeah, try the squash. I'll eat skin and all. And these are awesome too. Half cooked, crunchy. Yeah, it's my dinner. Fish costs $6. $1.50 each, another $3, probably about 10 bucks for my dinner. Could probably feed 2 people or a family if you had rice. I'll eat the whole thing. Well, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. I'll show you tomorrow my dinner in Hua Hin Thailand. Gotta love it. See you in the next one. Monkey crossing. Don't see none here. Guess it's safe. Cool looking trees, huh? beer truck in Thailand. This is a popular coffee shop with the expats. Both of these, all these. Here in Market Village Mall, next to the cinema. Get your sourdough breakfast. Banana pancake, that looks good. Happy girls there.